Good morning and welcome to this week's Form Time Numeracy Challenge. First questions coming up. Okay, your first two questions. Pause for as long as you need to. Next questions. A few questions to work through there. And when you're ready, your third question. Bit of a challenging one, that last one. Good luck. We go through the answers now, so pause for as long as you need to. First one. Okay, so if we've got a tap dripping at a rate of 20 millilitres per minute, so you can build it up like this until you get to 1 litre, which is 1,000 millilitres, and you can see that for 1,000 millilitres, it's going to take us 50 minutes. So the answer is 50 minutes. Alternatively, you can convert this 1 litre into 1,000 and divide by 20, and that will give you your time of 50 minutes as well. Next question. Okay, so we have a triangle-based pyramid. So there's two faces that we can't see, but the mean of the four numbers is 4. So that means if I add the four numbers together, I'm going to get 4 lots of 4, which is 16. So I've got two numbers that I don't know, but I know when I add them together, I get 16. So I've got a choice. I could either have 1 and 4 to make 16 or 2 and 3. Well, my 3's already appeared once, so it's going to be 1 and 4. But I can also check it. It's multiple choice, and I can see that the only solution is 1 and 4. I do not have 2 and 3 as one of my available solutions. So the answer is 2E. Right, all those questions. So we have 27,400. 13 squared is 169. And if I have taught you in the past or now, you will know that that's one of the square numbers I ask you to commit to memory. 13 squared, 14 squared, and 15 squared are numbers I always ask you to try and learn. Square root of 49 is 7. The cube root of 125 is 5. 4 cubed is 64. 240 over 300 is 4/5 in its simplest form. 25% of 60%. Remember, 25% is a quarter. Which is the same as dividing by 4. So we can halve 68 to get 34 and then halve it again to get 17. And finally, 43 multiplied by 38 gives us 1,634. And remember, this is a nice question here to use a little bit of estimating. If you know that about 40 multiplied by about 40 is 1,600, you know if you've made a mistake and you've got a number completely different to 1,600, you might have gone wrong somewhere. Right, that third question, I'm wondering how many of you recognise that you needed to draw a factor tree. Okay, here is a very badly drawn factor tree. So we start with 1,001. We can work out two factors of 1,001 are 91 and 11. 11 is a prime number, so I've circled it. That gives me 91. The factors of 91 are 13 and 7, and both of those numbers again are primes, so I can circle both of those. So I've now got my three numbers, A, B, C, but how do I know which one is which? Let's go back to the question. C is bigger than B, and B is bigger than A. So C is the biggest, 13, then B at 11, and then A at 7. Thank you very much.